Okay, so we have the new ignition cable tester from Aircraft Tool Supply, ATS. It's got the new electronics in it that automatically switches between 24 and 12 volts. So what we're going to do is hook it up. We have three leads. We have the power lead, goes to the battery, ground lead, goes to a ground or the ground on the battery, and then the high voltage lead here. So we're going to go ahead and hook these up and do a test. Putting the black lead on the battery ground, the positive lead on the positive side of the battery. We've already got the number one cylinder spark plug lead disconnected, and of course the mags are off inside, even though we're not going to turn the propeller. Now we've hooked this lead up. Now what we do is we turn on the cable tester. Blue light indicates that we have power. Careful not to touch the high voltage lead. And we have a solid ignition in the view window. That indicates we have a good test. Now, if we were to not have a good test, when we push the button, we would not get the voltage in the window. Thank you very much.